For part 2 of the book club response journal, we are finishing up how is it going once you've answered this about what are your feelings about the book club and why. How do you like the novel you chose so far? Why? Do you have any questions or concerns at this point you feel need to be addressed about your group or your novel? And once you respond to this, then you're going to move on to the plot, which is on slide 11. And we are solidly in week 2 now. So we had the how's it going slide 10 on Monday the 21st. Now we're moving on to slide 11 on the 22nd. And you can notice slide 12 is the 24th. We have a book club check-in on the 25th. And then slide 13, the mood, and slide 14, the theme, will be on Monday the 28th. And book club check-in on page numbers on the 29th. Again, work these as you go, as you read. It's okay to finish early. It's not okay to finish late. So make sure it's fine to answer these on any day as it makes sense for your novel. Our next part of the is looking at the plot. List 3 key events from the book and tell why each is important to the story. Which event do you think is the climax or turning point of the story? How do you know? Respond here. And then there are some discussions with your group. What handicaps or hardships did the main character have to overcome? And if you were the main character, would you have been able to overcome the challenges? Explain. Next would be the resolution, which means the ending. How did the author leave the reader? Was the ending satisfying? Explain. What do you know now that you didn't know before? And do you have any questions left now that you have finished reading the book? Respond to each of these questions here. The mood. What was the most exciting or the strangest thing that happened over in the novel? Respond here. And then it says, does the story create a certain mood or feeling? What is the mood? How is it created? Does the mood change or remain the same throughout the novel? In the book, give examples. Remember, the mood is the feeling that's created by you, the reader. Theme. What was the title of the book? Was the title of the book appropriate? Does the title grab you and make you want to read the book? Explain. Why do you think the author wrote this book? Is there a message in the story? What is it? What, if anything, can be learned from this novel? And you respond to that here. And then as a reminder, there is a final group project. All books need to be completed no later than Tuesday, March the 29th. On March 30th and the 31st, each group will complete a final project that will count as a major grade. It will be presented to the class on Friday, April 1st. More information will be given in a separate assignment. And finally, once you are finished with all of this, you will turn in your book club response journal. Just turn it into Canvas and it will count as multiple daily grades, and I will take multiple daily grades as we work.